Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet a beautiful and easy flower garland. This is a beginner friendly project that works up quickly and can be used to decorate your home, parties or any special event. Let's get started. This is the material I'm going to be using today. This is 100% cotton and the thickness of this material is around 1.5 millimeters and 3 ply along with the 2 millimeter steel crochet hook. Let's get started with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your pointer finger once, hold the end, again wrap it around the finger. Now we have 2 loops on our finger. Grab the second loop and pull it over the front loop. This is the slip knot. And then we need to chain 3, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is the first chain. Again yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have completed 3 chains over here. Now we will work a double crochet into the very first chain we made here. So yarn over, insert the hook into the first chain, yarn over, pull through the chain. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through 2. And then you can see that we have created a little ring here. And we are going to work into this ring in the first round. So I'm going to chain 1 and work 7 single crochets inside this ring. So insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. This is a single crochet. Like that we will continue. Insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have completed 2 single crochets here. Like that we will continue. 3, 4, and I'm going to work over this tail so that it will get hidden inside the stitches. 5, 6 and 7. And then I'm going to go into the stitch on top of the first single crochet here and work a slip stitch to join the first round. So insert the hook into the very first single crochet here, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first round. If you count, you can see that we have 7 stitches around. And then we will start working the petals of the flower. That is going to be the second round. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that we will create a puff into the very first base stitch over here. I will show you how to do that. So yarn over, insert the hook into the same base stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull up a loop. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the very same stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull up a loop. Now we have 5 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the very same base stitch again, yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop. Now we have 7 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop. Now we have 9 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop. Now we have 11 loops on our hook. And then what I'm going to do is yarn over and pull through the first 10 loops like so. Now we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 2. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then go into the very same stitch and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the same stitch again, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. With that we have completed our first petal. This is what it looks like. Now we will get started with the second petal. Go into the next stitch here and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop. And then chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then we are going to make another puff into the same stitch, yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop. Again yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop. Again yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop. This is the last time. Yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull through and pull up a loop. Now we have 11 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 10 loops. Now we have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. And again chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And work a slip stitch into the very same stitch to complete the petal. Just like that we are going to continue making the other petals as well. Go into the very next stitch and work a slip stitch. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then make a puff into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over, pull through the first 10 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Again chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and work a slip stitch into the very same stitch. Now we have completed 3 petals here. Just like that I'm going to continue to make the other 4 petals as well. This is the very last petal I'm completing here, and after working a slip stitch to join the petal, this is what it looks like. And then I'm going to go into the starting point of the second round and work a slip stitch. So insert the hook into the very first single crochet of the previous round, yarn over, pull through the stitch and pull through the loop. And then we are going to go into the next flower of the garland. For that we need to make a stem of 10 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Then go into the third chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain, and work a double crochet into the third chain. So yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That creates the next ring here, and then I'm going to chain 1 and work 4 single crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then go into the next side. We need to just move the stem to the other side and work to the other half of the ring and work another 3 single crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And then go into the very first single crochet here and work a slip stitch to join the round. And this is what we have completed. Again, we will complete the second petal. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we will create a puff into the very first base stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, chain 4, and work a slip stitch into the same stitch. Now we can just repeat the pattern and complete the other petals as well. Now I have completed the second flower as well, and then we will work a slip stitch into the starting point of the round to join all the petals like so, and continue working to the third flower. Chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then again work a double crochet into the third chain from the hook, and then chain 1 and work 4 single crochets on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, and work 3 single crochets into the other side. 1, 2, 3, and then work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet like so, and then continue to make the petals of the flower. Now I have completed the third flower as well. Just like that, we can repeat the pattern to make the garland longer, just like this one here. And if you want the stem to be longer, you can make more chains. We have done 10 chains in between. So if you make more chains, the stem will be longer. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making this crochet flower garland with me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy crochet tutorials, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.